Iran's recent unveiling of the world's first underwater-launched suicide drone marks a significant milestone in modern warfare, signaling a new era of naval threats and asymmetric military capabilities. This development, which combines stealth, artificial intelligence, and precision targeting, has the potential to disrupt the strategic balance in the Persian Gulf and beyond. As nations worldwide scramble to advance their own drone programs, Iran's latest innovation raises critical questions about naval defense, countermeasures, and the future of undersea combat. This newly revealed drone, reportedly capable of being launched from beneath the sea, presents a unique threat to both military and commercial vessels. Unlike conventional sea drones that operate on the water's surface, this system benefits from the element of surprise, making detection and interception significantly more challenging. Traditional anti-drone defenses primarily focus on airborne or surface-level threats, meaning that navies may need to rethink their defense strategies to counter this new undersea menace. One of the most concerning aspects of Iran's suicide drone is its integration of artificial intelligence. AI-powered navigation and target identification enable the drone to operate autonomously, reducing reliance on direct human control. This advancement not only increases the efficiency of deployment but also complicates countermeasures, as AI-driven systems can adapt to dynamic battlefield conditions in real time. The ability to autonomously track and strike a target introduces an entirely new dimension to undersea warfare, potentially rendering traditional naval defenses ineffective against such precision-guided attacks. The strategic implications of this weapon system extend beyond Iran's immediate adversaries. As a nation frequently engaged in geopolitical tensions, Iran's development of an AI-driven underwater suicide drone sends a strong message to regional and global powers. The Persian Gulf, a critical choke point for global oil shipments, could become even more volatile if Iran chooses to deploy such drones in contested waters. The possibility of these drones being used to target U.S. Navy vessels, Allied warships, or commercial shipping raises concerns about an escalated arms race in the region. Iran's military advancements often spark debates regarding their origin and technological influences. Given the nation's history of acquiring and reverse engineering foreign military technology, speculation abounds regarding whether this drone is a wholly indigenous development or the result of adapted foreign designs. Iran has previously demonstrated an ability to enhance existing drone technology, as seen in its Shahed series UAVs, which have been deployed in various conflicts and supplied to Allied forces across the Middle East. If this underwater drone follows a similar trajectory, its proliferation could pose a significant challenge for naval forces worldwide. Countering such an advanced system presents a significant challenge. Traditional sonar systems may struggle to detect a small, stealthy underwater drone, particularly if it employs noise-reducing technologies or operates at variable depths. Existing missile defense systems designed for airborne threats are unlikely to be effective against a submerged drone. This necessitates the development of new defensive capabilities, such as enhanced undersea surveillance networks, AI-assisted sonar detection, and specialized interception techniques. The potential for swarm tactics, where multiple underwater drones could be deployed simultaneously to overwhelm a target, further complicates defense strategies. Iran's introduction of an underwater suicide drone also raises ethical and legal concerns. Autonomous weapon systems remain a topic of intense debate within the international community, with questions surrounding accountability, rules of engagement, and potential violations of maritime law. The deployment of AI-driven suicide drones in contested waters could blur the lines between conventional and asymmetric warfare, making it difficult for military commanders to predict and respond to such threats effectively. In response to this development, the United States and its allies may seek to accelerate their own research into counter-drone measures and underwater defense technologies. Countries with advanced submarine warfare capabilities, such as the US, Russia, and China, will likely assess the potential for integrating similar AI-driven underwater drones into their own arsenals.